Hey, if you're a hardcore thrifter like myself, Cruella DeVille, chances are you've been to a Goodwill, and all morning we're hanging out at the largest Goodwill in Western Canada. And so I'm joined by Doug, the Canadian lumberjack, and we're going to do some upcycling for Halloween decor, starting off with these candlesticks.
Yes, so in front of you, you have some brass candlesticks. They're old, they're ugly, they've been donated. They don't really have much use anymore, but you just take some matte trim-clad rust paint, very simple, and you can turn it into something absolutely spectacular. So a beautiful candle holder that you can use for centerpieces. You can actually put them all together, add some cobwebs, and you have yourself a spooky centerpiece,
I
right?
love it.
So that's absolutely great. It doesn't have to be limited to Halloween. You can use different rust paints or things of that nature to create a centerpiece all year round.
So you have a white t-shirt in front of you that we're about to upcycle. What are your crazy plans for this?
So very simple, it's a white t-shirt, right? Well, we have Cruella DeVille to my left, and I think you need some Dalmatians. So it's very simple. You take a paint marker, essentially. All you do, and you just add some spots. Add some spots to it, and the next thing you know, by the time you go through the entire shirt, you're gonna create yourself your own little Dalmatian puppy. White and black, right?
Yeah.
Go to the store, find a fire hat. Now you have your world's favorite mascot. And isn't that Marshall from Paw Patrol?
That's right, I was about to say. Awesome, Doug, thank you so much. Your creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for having us here at Goodwill. If you want more information on Goodwill, because you're a hardcore thrifter, you're looking for Halloween costumes, head to our website, ctvedmonton.ca under Morning Live.